Have you ever promised yourself, tomorrow I'll finally change? You'll wake up early. You'll start working out. You'll stop wasting time. But then tomorrow comes, and nothing changes. If that sounds familiar, you're not lazy. You're stuck in a cycle that millions of people experience without even realizing it. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 biggest reasons you're not improving and exactly how to break free. Let's begin. Number 1, you're addicted to comfort. Your brain is designed to keep you safe, not successful. Every time you choose scrolling over studying, watching Netflix over exercising, or sleeping in instead of waking up early, your brain rewards you with a small burst of dopamine. The more often you choose comfort, the harder it becomes to choose growth. The solution? Start making yourself slightly uncomfortable every day. Take a cold shower. Read 10 pages. Go for a walk without your phone. Do one thing your future self will thank you for. Growth begins where comfort ends. Number 2, you're waiting for motivation. This is one of the biggest lies people believe. They think successful people are always motivated. They're not. They simply build systems. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't wait until you're motivated. You just do it. That's exactly how successful habits work. Instead of saying, I'll work out when I feel like it, say, I work out every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 6 p.m. The fewer decisions you have to make, the more consistent you'll become. Discipline beats motivation every single time. Number 3, you're comparing yourself to everyone else. Social media is a highlight reel. You're comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's best moments. That's a game you can never win. Instead, compare yourself to who you were yesterday. Ask yourself one simple question. What can I do today that's just 1% better? One extra push-up, one more page, one healthier meal. Tiny improvements become massive over time. Number 4, you don't protect your focus. Your attention is your greatest asset, yet most people give it away for free. Every notification, every message, every endless scroll steals a little piece of your ability to think deeply. Try this challenge. For the next 7 days, spend just 1 hour every day with your phone on silent and out of reach. No notifications, no social media, just focused work. You might be surprised by how much you can accomplish. Number 5, you quit too early. Most people give up right before things start working. They expect results after 1 week. Real change doesn't happen that fast. Think about planting a tree. You water it every day. For weeks, nothing seems to happen. But beneath the surface, the roots are growing stronger. Success works the same way. Your effort is never wasted. Even when you can't see progress, you're building the foundation for future success. Stay consistent. Trust the process. Final message. Imagine where you'll be 1 year from today if you improve just 1% every single day. You don't need to become a completely different person overnight. You just need to become a slightly better version of yourself every day. Remember, comfort keeps you the same. Discipline changes your life. The future belongs to people who keep showing up, even when they don't feel like it, and start becoming the person you've always wanted to be. Because your future is created by what you do today, not someday.